children, good morning. In last class, I have explained you how to fill this box from 101 to 150, and I told you to do homework from 151 to 200. This is how you have to fill, okay? This is the way you have to fill the boxes, and by looking at this table, you have to complete the pattern of numbers, okay? They gave two examples like 138, 148 is the given pattern for us. So after 148, the pattern is they have added 10 more numbers. That means after 138, it is 148. So this is the pattern they gave. So looking at this table, what number comes after 148 in the given pattern is 158. Okay? See, by looking this table, you can understand easily the pattern they give 138, 148. So next one is 158. So you have to write here 158, 158, and then you have to write, see, look at here, 158, 168. So you have to write 168. Then after 168, it came 178. So 178. After 178, it is 188. You have to write here 188. After 188, 198. So this is the pattern you have to identify by looking the above table, okay? And I already explained this in before class. Now I am explaining you this. Give the number that comes before. So what number comes before 144 is 143. Okay, you can see here 143. Otherwise you count from 140. After 140, 141, 142, 143. See, you have to write by looking this 143. Okay, 143. And then after 150, the number that comes before 159 is 158. So you have to write here 158. The number that comes before 171 is, see, 170. Before 190 you get 189. Okay, 190, 189. Okay children, you understood? Okay, the next one is give the numerals for the following number names. They gave numbers in words. You have to write in numeric values. Okay, you have to write here with the help of these words. See, they gave 140. That means you have to write 140. So 140. You know, you people know how to spell 3-digit number. You know this number how to spell, right? What is this number? 140. So they gave the same thing they gave in words. So we have to write in numbers. So this is 140, 140. Then 169. Children, you tell me how to write 169. Tell me where you can you see that number here? 169. Yes. Tell me where? Very good. This is the number 169. So you have to write 169. Okay. Now the next one is 104. How to write 104? That is 104. You know how to spell this 104. So you have to write here 104. And next one is 173. Tell me children, where is 173 here? Yes, very good. 173. Then 113. Tell me children, 113. How to write 113? Yes, like this. Very good. 113, 113. So with this we completed this page, okay? Let us learn new thing today, okay? the number where it is placed. For example, I will tell you 139. You have to identify what number is in which place. That means if it is in 100 place, you have to tell that is in 100th place. If it is in 10th place, you have to tell that is in 10th place. Then this is 1th place. So what do you mean by place value means you have to tell the number in which place it is there. What is the position of the number is known as place value. Tell me children, what is the position of this number is you have to identify. This chapter explains you in which place it is situated. That means what position it has. For example, 139. So my question is, what position the 3 number has, that is in which position this is situated? Yes, this is 10th place. Okay, this is 100th place, this is 10th place, 0, this is 1 place. So 3 is in 10th place. Then what is the place of 1 is 100th place. Okay, this is the thing you have to learn. Place value means you have to identify the position of the number. For example, there are only two digit number, that means 45. Okay, tell me what is the position of 4? Yes, very good. This is 10th place. That means there are 4 tens here. 45. That means 4 tens. That is 10th place. The 5 is in 1 place. Only there are only 5 ones. So 1th place. Okay. This is the thing you have to learn. Now open your textbook 67. See here children. There is 1 digit number. This is 2 digit number. This is 3 digit number. Okay. In this digit, the position of this number is 5th is in the 1's place. Its place value is 5. Okay. If I give you the empty box like this, hundreds, tens and ones, if I tell you 5, in which place you will write here? Only 5. You will write here. That means the place value of 5 is 1's place. For example, I will give you another number. See, for example, 37. In which place you will write 3 and in which place you will write 7? Tell me. Yes, very good. In 1's place you will write 7 and in 10's place you will write 3. So the place value is 3 is 10 and the place value of 7 is 1. This is how you have to identify place value of whether it is 1 digit or 2 digit or 3 digit. You have to identify whether it is in 1's place or 10's place or 100's place. Now example 1. See once here. What is the place value of each digit in the following numbers? Tell me what is the place value of 136. 1 is in 100's place, 3 is in 10's place, that means 30. 6 is in 1's place, only 6. Okay. Now 186. 1 is in 100 place, T is in 10's place, 6 is in 1's place. This is the place value. Now example 2. How to expand it? Now children, turn the page. See, here you can find expanding numbers. That means they are asking the expanded form of 157. So you know that 157. What is the expanded form of 157? Is you all know that 1 is in 100 place. So 100 plus 5 is in 10's place. That means 50 plus 7 is in 1's place. So 7. So the expanded form of 157 is 100 plus 50 plus 7. 157. Okay children, this is the expanded form. Now tell me, for you the homework is, I will explain you once again, but for today you tell me the expanded form of 182, then 151. This is your homework. You have to show me in the next class what is the expanded form of 182 and 151. Anyway, I will explain you further exercises in next class. For till today, in today's class, this is the homework. Okay. Bye children. Take care.